Hello guys, I am Satyam and you are here on our one and all lovely channel Satyam IGL Learning. And today we will be discussing about parathyroid gland and adrenal gland. Okay, so we have already discussed about pituitary gland and thyroid gland. Today we will be going to discuss about parathyroid and adrenal glands. Okay, let's start. First of all, we are going to discuss about adrenal gland. Adrenal glands. I'm underlining also. See, these are two, one attached to each kidney. So there are two adrenal glands, means one pair of gland, and they are attached to each of the kidney. Okay, one attached to each of the kidney at the upper side. Clear? They produce two hormones which are called adrenaline and corticosteroids. So adrenaline and corticosteroids are the two hormones which are being released by adrenal glands, and these are of one pair. Okay, means two. There are two adrenal glands. See, adrenaline, this first hormone, adrenaline hormone is secreted when a person is in danger. Okay, is in danger, or when a person is in stress, then adrenaline hormone is being released. Clear this thing? So adrenaline hormone is secreted when a person is in danger. See, imagine that you are in front of a bear, large bear is there, and you are in front of the bear. Then your rate of respiration will be high, your heartbeat will be high. No, because for the danger from the bear. That is why your heartbeat will be high, and then you are going to run from that place. Okay. So when at that time adrenaline hormone is being released from adrenal glands. Okay, at that time when you are in danger or when you are in stress. Clear this thing? Now adrenal gland come into action to prepare body for emergency. When the body is in emergency, then this adrenal gland release adrenaline, and this adrenaline help in increasing the supply of power. Clear? See, there is written also. Adrenal gland come into action to prepare body for emergency by increasing the supply of power, supply of energy. Okay, so supply of energy is being increased by the adrenaline hormone. Okay, so adrenal glands release adrenaline hormone when you are in danger, and then this hormone helps in the increasing of the supply of energy when you are in emergency or when you are in case of danger. And I have given you example also. See, and corticosteroids is also there. This is one more hormone, corticosteroids. See, corticosteroids regulate glucose and mineral metabolism. So this corticosteroids regulate glucose and mineral metabolism. Clear this thing about the adrenal glands? Now we are going to come on parathyroid glands. I am underlining it also. Parathyroid gland. At that time we have studied thyroid gland. Now this time parathyroid glands. Remember this thing. See, they are four small glands. So they are four small glands, and they are behind the thyroid gland. They are behind the thyroid gland, and they are four in counting. See, they secrete the hormone which is called parathormone. So this is the hormone which is being released from parathyroid gland. Clear? Now see, this hormone, this parathormone, it is the hormone which help to maintain the level of calcium in blood. So this parathormone is helping in the maintaining of the level of calcium in blood. Level of calcium in the blood is very necessary, guys. See, I have written also why it is necessary. See, a certain level of calcium in blood is required to facilitate muscular energy. For the facilitation of the muscular energy, a certain level of calcium is required. Okay, so a certain level of calcium is required in the blood to facilitate muscular energy, and it has been maintained by the parathormone hormone. Okay, parathormone is the hormone which is being released by the parathyroid gland, and it helps in the maintaining of the calcium in blood. I think this must be clear to all of you guys about the parathyroid and adrenal gland. So bye bye, we will meet in the next time very soon.